Canada has the largest freshwater reserve in the world. The World Health Organization states that all human beings have the right to access safe drinking water. Incidents like the Walkerton tragedy show that Canada must preserve our drinking waters to protect this fundamental right. My project begins at Wainfleet, a town that extracts drinking water from groundwater wells. Wainfleet has the longest ongoing boil water advisory in Canada. In 2007, an independent study revealed that E. coli had contaminated over half of the town's wells. My research searches for and identifies sources of fecal contamination to prevent potential outbreaks of gastrointestinal illness. Standard methods for the detection of water pollution involve the cultivation of E. coli from wells like this one. However, both human and animal feces contain E. coli. As such, these techniques cannot distinguish between different types of feces and their sources. To overcome this limitation, I will use a different technique that quantifies a specific gene that all bacteria express. Its DNA sequences act as molecular fingerprints that identify fecal bacteria within different animal species. Using this technique, I will screen for indicators like Campylobacter jejuni, Bacteroidale species, and Salmonella enterica that differentiates an animal's feces from another in drinking water. Using this technique poses a unique challenge that I will overcome: the extraction of DNA from a water sample. Filtering a water sample should remove all chemicals that obscure molecular fingerprints. However, DNA extraction can still introduce these inhibitors. I will compare different DNA extraction methods and select the procedure that most efficiently quantifies the genetic fingerprints in fecal bacteria of different animal species. By quantifying fecal bacteria, I will not only contribute to the purification of Wainfleet's groundwater wells, but also provide Canada with a more efficient technique to determine sources of fecal contamination in our drinking waters. Thank you.